The best pressure washer hoses reviews. The best decision involving a high-pressure washer would be to replace it with the best pressure washer hoses when it gets worn out. You might have thought of replacing it with a simple garden hose, but it might not match the water pressure. Instead, the pressure washer can withstand the high pressure and last longer to keep your machine working effectively. Here, we have a list of our recommended pressure washer hoses of varying lengths that you can have a look at. Number 1. Best high quality. Yamatic Kink resistant pressure washer hose. Yamatic pressure washer hoses are made of high quality recyclable materials and designed for gas-powered and electric pressure washers. They can withstand high pressures up to 3,200 psi and are compatible with most high-pressure washers. The hose also has robust brass connectors and a sturdy bend restrictor to ensure it is firmly attached to the pressure gunner washer. It is made of an innovative anti-kink material with a seamless inner tube, which provides a smooth flow of water with a 3/4 inch bending radius. A range of 50 feet is sufficient for all your household needs and can also be used for commercial cleaning. What we like: easy to carry, roll up and drag, durable, high-quality materials, compatible with most power washers, anti-kink material, brass connectors, eco-friendly, 1-year warranty. What we don't like: may require an adapter for specific pressure washers. The cover may get damaged under high temperatures. Number 2. Best sturdy. Propulse Uberflex Kink resistant pressure washer hose. The 50 feet Propulse Uberflex high pressure washer hose uses advanced technology and high-quality materials. The hose has a working pressure of 3,100 psi and can be used with most pressure washers with 22 mm connectors. The hose cover is made from abrasion-resistant polyurethane material and has a textured finish, making it durable and long-lasting. The inner tube is made of water and chemical-resistant rubber thermoplastic to ensure a smooth flow of water. What we like: sturdy and durable, easy to roll up, lightweight, flexible, kink-resistant. What we don't like: may not be suitable for hot water. Number 3. Best durable. Tool Daily Pressure Washer Hose. Tool Daily Pressure Washer hoses are made of upgraded stretched steel wire that fits most gas and electric pressure washers. The hose's maximum working pressure is 4,000 psi, which can meet all your residential and commercial cleaning needs. It measures 50 feet long and can easily clean the roof. It is made of wear-resistant material, which reduces the risk of leakage and has a long service life. It has a flow rate of 2.5 to 5 gallons per minute and can withstand temperatures up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. The hose is equipped with a 4.7-inch quick-connected female socket, suitable for most high-pressure washers. What we like: compatible with most pressure washers, anti-abrasion materials, durable, flexible, lightweight. What we don't like: may leave marks on the surface. Number 4. Best non-marring. Generac Pressure Washer Hose. Generac High Pressure Washer Hose is nylon reinforced, making it lightweight and durable. Both ends are equipped with curved restrictors to reduce wear, and it is easy to connect with most pressure washers with M22 connections. The hose's length is 30 feet with a non-marring cover and can withstand a maximum pressure of 3,100 psi, effectively meeting household cleaning needs. The diameter of the hose is 1/4 inch, which can provide you with good water flow. What we like: flexible and lightweight, compatible with most pressure washer brands, non-marring, durable bend restrictors. What we don't like: cold water use only. Number 5. Best flexible. Interchange Pressure Washer Hose. This 100-foot high-pressure washer hose from Interchange is compatible with most hot and cold pressure washers, with a maximum working pressure of 4,000 psi. Equipped with an extra steel wire and a sturdy outer cover, it has excellent density and high durability. It is resistant to oil and chemical corrosion and is suitable for commercial cleaning work. What we like: extremely flexible, non-marking cover for use with hot or cold water washers, quick connector socket and plug installed, hose guards with bend restrictors. What we don't like: may be slightly heavy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.